Okay, this is John and Parita. Here we are. All right. Well, we've made it here to Angela City. We just got off the bus way down there. Sorry, I should have started this video earlier, but way down there is where we got off the bus. And now we've walked down here, and there's a lot of merchandisers, products, all kinds, up and down this alleyway, if you want to call it that. That's what it looks like to me. But then over here, we also just discovered this at some other stores that are inside of this building, and people are lined up to get in there. So, but back over here, this is the direction we're heading. So we're gonna go down here and catch a trike or a tricycle or a jeepney, as I like to call them. So yeah. All right, well, stay with us. We'll post more videos and pictures for those of you on Facebook, pictures, but on YouTube it'll be videos as soon as I can get to a Wi-Fi. All right, we love you. God bless you. Pray for us.